araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong December 14. And for today, we are going to have our second to the last episode for the series of 7 postures of prayer. And for this episode, we will be talking about praying with adoration. Makikita natin ito sa Jeremiah 32 chapter 32 verse 17 na nagsasabing, Sovereign Lord, you have made the heavens and the earth by your great power and outstretched arm. Nothing is too hard for you. Sa Tagalog, si Jeremias ay nanalangin, Panginoong Yahweh, nilikha mo ang langit at ang lupa sa pamamagitan ng iyong kapangyarihan. Walang bagay na mahirap para sa iyo. So, kapag nagpe-pray po tayo, lagi po nating ikakataas ang Panginoon. Kumbaga, let us embrace His almighty power. Because the prayer of adoration acknowledges God's character. Ibig sabihin nito, alam mo kung ano ang nais, kung ano ang layo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung ano yung kanyang personalidad, no? And the prayer of adoration strengthens our faith in God. Dahil nga, mas alam mo kung ano yung capabilities ni God, you are more than inclined to believe His words and to further His gospel by preaching, by living His teachings, no? So the prayer of adoration also gives meaning to our situations. This just goes to show that praying and observing the 7 postures of prayer is absolutely necessary, no? So, begin your prayer with adoration. Tandaan mo po sa pamamangha sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Let His power be acknowledged through you, no? So, believe in God's revelation of Himself. Dahil hindi po nagsisinungaling ang ating Panginoon. Lahat ng kanyang sinabi ay totoo at ang lahat ng kanyang predictions ay tama. So please, build your life on God's wisdom and sovereignty. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.